Hello. Welcome back. So brief update. As I mentioned, for whatever reason, I hadn't saved what I did a couple of days ago. So yesterday was sort of me commiserating, and then you know, figuring my stuff out. And yesterday, I think I added something to this regex variable to capture letters as well. But then this evening, I've sort of reconfigured it, and I think I mentioned yesterday that I was thinking, all right, I'm removing the parentheses and then the dashes, and the spaces, but I'm not capturing alphanumeric. I'm not capturing letters, and so in coming here, I was like, all I really want to capture is numbers, and so I put a new prompt into AI to give me like a regular expression, and I simply mentioned this is supposed to be in, but I was like, create an expression that captures all of this. The only thing the regular expression should not capture are numbers. And it actually came up with this, which is so much more simple. And it says effectively capture everything that isn't a number globally. And you know something new, but this was so useful. So my regex is now a lot cleaner. I have saved it. I'm going to save it again because reasons. And if I want to talk you through what I think it should do now is I get the input, I clean the input, I get rid of anything that isn't a number, and I replace that with regular expression. I replace that with with an empty string. I then pull that into my input to array. I split it via the empty strings into an array. Now, my input validator then takes that array and it will check, first of all, is the length less than 10, so 9 numbers, or is it more than 11? And if it is, then it's invalid. And my invalid is just a string with the number dot input dot value, which is what the person enters there. If it is equal to 10, and at this point it is just numbers, then it's valid. If it is equal to 11, then I'm checking the element at the first point, and if that's equal to 1, then it's valid, and if that's not equal to 1, then it's invalid. So that's what I'm thinking. So now, in here, I'm handling if there isn't anything, then it will provide a number, else it will do some stuff. Else, I want to say I'm going to sign right to cleaned. So cleaned is now cleaned, and then I'm going to so I'm cleaning it. I'm doing that. So now I've got a clean arrayed. So it's been cleaned and it's been arrayed. and validated is going to be a string. So then I'm going to replace my result field with that. I'm going to say I think that should do. I'm going to just move this to the bottom. I don't know if I need to do this, but I'm going to do this anyway. And I'm going to test something. I'm going to say what was I typing? What was I typing? That's just so I can't see what I was typing. Okay. I'm going to save this first as well. So if I say it before something goes wrong. Length. Oh, what is the issue? Length. Okay, well, I'm leaving it here. I'll come back to this because I'm getting cold, I can tell. I think I just need to figure out what this bug is. But let's do that. Let's just run some tests now. So actually my test will fail because, yeah, I haven't dealt with the clear button, which is fine. But cool. I'm going to leave it at that. Now, short one, but I actually did a lot.